Hello, I'm meteorologist Ryan Willis. Welcome to the National Weather Service briefing on potential impacts of Tropical Storm Karen across north and central Georgia for Saturday, October 5th, 2013. Tropical Storm Karen has weakened significantly since yesterday and is not very well organized. As of the Saturday 11 a.m. advisory, the center of Tropical Storm Karen was located about 150 miles west-southwest of the mouth of the Mississippi River, with winds currently at 40 miles per hour. Movement was to the north at 7 miles per hour, although Karen was expected to turn to the northeast later today. Here's a look at some of the model forecast tracks for Karen over the next couple of days. The official National Hurricane Center forecast is a general consensus of these model outputs and takes the remnants of Karen across south-central Georgia on Monday. Looking at a model comparison between the ECMWF and GFS models at 8 a.m. Monday, both models have moved into good agreement concerning the interaction between the remnants of Karen and the approaching cold front. At this point, Karen will be in the process of being absorbed by the cold front and losing tropical characteristics. Shown here is the forecast track as of Saturday 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time from the National Hurricane Center. Karen is forecast to be a remnant low as it enters south-central Georgia Monday around 8 a.m. Since the movement of the storm has slowed down, the remnants of Karen will be moving south of Columbus between 7 and 9 a.m. Monday. At this time, wind speeds of 15 to 25 miles per hour with isolated gusts to 35 miles per hour can be expected. Wind impacts appear to be relatively limited with the remnants of this system, with the strongest gusts being about 25 to 35 miles per hour across areas roughly along and south of a Columbus to Macon line. Sustained winds will likely only be between 15 to 25 miles per hour across this area. Further north, the wind impact will be negligible. Locally heavy rainfall amounts are anticipated with the remnants of Karen. Storm total rainfall amounts up to 2.5 inches are forecast, generally along and south of a Columbus to Athens line. Isolated higher amounts are possible. Elsewhere, amounts from 1 to 1.5 inches can be expected across north and west Georgia associated with the approaching cold front. Isolated flash flooding conditions are possible in areas that receive the heaviest rainfall, especially if any rain bands set up and train over a particular location. There is a threat of isolated tornadoes with the remnants of Karen as it becomes absorbed into the oncoming frontal system. Any tornado threat would be along and ahead of this cold front. This graphic shows the significant tornado parameter values forecast for Monday at 2 p.m. While these values are not particularly impressive, isolated tornadoes will remain possible. While the threat level associated with Tropical Storm Karen has been reduced from earlier forecasts, threats will still exist with this system. Locally heavy rainfall and isolated tornadoes will be the main issues as the remnants of Karen move across the area on Monday. You can keep up to date with our latest forecasts for Karen at weather.gov/Atlanta and through our Facebook and Twitter pages.